Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Florida. This vibrant state, often referred to as the Sunshine State, is a treasure trove of stunning locations and unforgettable experiences. From the pristine beaches of the Gulf Coast to the lush landscapes of the Everglades, Florida offers a diverse array of natural beauty that captivates visitors from around the world. Imagine strolling along the white sandy shores of Clearwater Beach, where the sunsets paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, or embarking on an airboat adventure through the swamps, where you might catch a glimpse of alligators basking in the sun. But Florida is not just about its breathtaking scenery, it's also a hub of unique attractions. Theme parks like Walt Disney World and Universal Studios bring joy to families and thrill-seekers alike, while cultural gems like the Salvador Dali Museum in St. Petersburg showcase the state's artistic side. Exploring Florida means immersing yourself in a rich tapestry of experiences that range from the vibrant nightlife of Miami to the historic charm of St. Augustine. Understanding the importance of exploring Florida's unique attractions is key to appreciating its diverse offerings. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a nature lover, or someone seeking relaxation, Florida has something special for everyone. So, join us as we dive deeper into the wonders that await in this incredible state. The enchanting Everglades. Welcome to the enchanting world of the Everglades National Park, a unique ecosystem that is unlike any other in the United States. Spanning over 1.5 million acres, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to a remarkable diversity of wildlife. Here, you can encounter the iconic American alligator basking in the sun, as well as the gentle manatee gliding gracefully through the waters. The park is also a sanctuary for countless bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. The importance of conservation efforts in the Everglades cannot be overstated. This fragile ecosystem faces numerous threats, including climate change and habitat loss. Organizations and local communities are working tirelessly to protect this natural wonder, ensuring that future generations can experience its beauty and biodiversity. By supporting these conservation initiatives, visitors can play a role in preserving the Everglades for years to come. For those looking to immerse themselves in this captivating landscape, airboat tours offer an exhilarating way to explore the park's waterways and see wildlife up close. Alternatively, hiking trails wind through the lush vegetation, providing a more intimate experience with the flora and fauna. Whether you're gliding across the water or trekking through the trails, the Everglades promises an adventure filled with awe and discovery. So, come and explore this enchanting ecosystem, and witness firsthand the wonders that make the Everglades a true natural treasure. The magical Walt Disney World. Welcome to the magical world of Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, where dreams come to life and unforgettable memories are made. Spanning over 25,000 acres, this iconic destination is home to 4 incredible theme parks: Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Disney's Animal Kingdom. Each park offers a unique blend of attractions, entertainment, and experiences that cater to guests of all ages. From the enchanting Cinderella Castle in Magic Kingdom to the thrilling rides at Hollywood Studios, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The magic of Disney has a profound impact on family vacations, creating cherished moments that families will treasure for a lifetime. Whether it's meeting beloved characters, watching spectacular fireworks, or enjoying immersive themed dining experiences, Walt Disney World fosters a sense of wonder and togetherness that is truly special. To make the most of your visit, planning is key. Consider utilizing the My Disney Experience app to manage your itinerary, make dining reservations, and check wait times for attractions. Arriving early can also help you beat the crowds and enjoy popular rides with shorter wait times. Additionally, taking advantage of Genie Plus can enhance your experience by allowing you to reserve access to select attractions throughout the day. So, pack your bags and get ready to delve into the wonders of Walt Disney World, where magic awaits around every corner and adventure is just a step away. The pristine beaches of the Gulf Coast. Welcome to the stunning beaches along Florida's Gulf Coast, where sun-kissed shores and crystal-clear waters await. This region is renowned for its breathtaking beach destinations, with Clearwater Beach and Siesta Key topping the list. Clearwater Beach boasts powdery white sand and vibrant sunsets, making it a perfect spot for families and sunseekers alike. Meanwhile, Siesta Key is famous for its soft, quartz sand that stays cool underfoot, providing an idyllic setting for relaxation and fun. At these beautiful beaches, there's no shortage of activities to enjoy. Swimming in the warm Gulf waters is a must, while sunbathing on the soft sands offers the ultimate relaxation experience. For the more adventurous, water sports such as paddleboarding, jet skiing, and parasailing provide thrilling ways to explore the coastline. Whether you're looking to unwind or seek adventure, the Gulf Coast has something for everyone. After a day of beach fun, don't miss out on the local dining and nightlife options nearby. Clearwater Beach is home to a variety of beachfront restaurants serving fresh seafood and tropical cocktails, perfect for a sunset dinner. Siesta Key also offers a lively nightlife scene, with beach bars and live music venues that keep the good times rolling into the night. So, pack your sunscreen and get ready to explore the pristine beaches of Florida's Gulf Coast, where unforgettable experiences and stunning views await. The historic St. Augustine. Welcome to St. Augustine, the oldest city in the United States, where history comes alive at every corner. Founded in 1565 by Spanish explorers, this charming city is steeped in rich history and boasts stunning architecture that reflects its diverse cultural heritage. As you stroll through the cobblestone streets, you'll encounter beautifully preserved buildings that tell the story of centuries past, from Spanish colonial structures to Victorian homes. One of the must-visit attractions in St. Augustine is the iconic Castillo de San Marcos, a formidable fortress that has stood the test of time. This historic landmark offers breathtaking views of the waterfront and provides insight into the city's military history. The historic district is another highlight, featuring quaint shops, art galleries, and museums that showcase the city's vibrant culture. But the experience doesn't end there. St. Augustine is also known for its unique local shops and delightful restaurants, where you can savor fresh seafood and traditional Spanish cuisine. After a day of exploration, consider joining one of the city's famous ghost tours. With its rich history and tales of the supernatural, St. Augustine is often regarded as one of the most haunted cities in America, making for an intriguing evening adventure. So, come and immerse yourself in the historic charm of St. Augustine, where every visit offers a glimpse into the past and a chance to create lasting memories. The vibrant Florida Keys. Welcome to the beautiful islands of the Florida Keys, a tropical paradise known for its laid-back atmosphere and stunning scenery. Stretching from Key Largo to Key West, this chain of islands offers a unique blend of natural beauty and vibrant culture. With swaying palm trees, turquoise waters, and breathtaking sunsets, the Florida Keys provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and adventure. One of the highlights of visiting the Keys is the abundance of outdoor activities available. The crystal-clear waters are ideal for snorkeling and diving, allowing you to explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, the underwater world here is simply mesmerizing. Fishing enthusiasts will also find their paradise, with opportunities to catch everything from tarpon to snapper in the rich waters surrounding the islands. As you travel through the Keys, don't miss the iconic 7-Mile Bridge, which connects several of the islands and offers picturesque views that are perfect for capturing unforgettable photos. This engineering marvel is not only a vital transportation link but also a scenic route that showcases the beauty of the surrounding ocean. So, come and explore the vibrant Florida Keys, where the laid-back lifestyle, stunning scenery, and endless activities await. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply a place to unwind, the Keys promise an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return. The thrilling theme parks. While Walt Disney World may be the crown jewel of Florida's theme parks, there's a world of excitement waiting beyond the gates of Disney. Florida is home to a variety of thrilling theme parks that offer unique attractions and experiences for visitors of all ages. One of the most popular alternatives is Universal Studios, where you can immerse yourself in the magic of movies. From the adrenaline-pumping rides of the wizarding world of Harry Potter to the heart-racing thrills of roller coasters like the Incredible Hulk coaster, Universal Studios promises an unforgettable adventure. Just a short drive away, Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay combines the excitement of a theme park with the beauty of a zoo. Here, you can experience exhilarating rides like She-Ra and Falcon's Fury while also getting up close with exotic animals. The park's lush landscapes and live entertainment make it a perfect destination for families and thrill-seekers alike. SeaWorld Orlando offers a unique blend of marine life and amusement rides. Visitors can enjoy thrilling roller coasters, like Mako, while also learning about ocean conservation and experiencing incredible animal encounters. The park's shows featuring dolphins and orcas are not to be missed. To make the most of your Florida adventure, consider purchasing multi-park passes that allow you to explore these exciting destinations. With so much to see and do, the thrilling theme parks of Florida promise a comprehensive adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Florida, it's clear that this vibrant state offers a diverse array of attractions and experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the enchanting landscapes of the Everglades and the magical realms of Walt Disney World to the stunning beaches of the Gulf Coast and the historic charm of St. Augustine, Florida is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Each destination brings its own unique flavor, ensuring that there's something for everyone, whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural enrichment. We encourage you to venture out and explore these incredible wonders for yourself. Create your own memories as you dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Keys, experience the thrill of the theme parks, or savor the local cuisine in charming coastal towns. Florida is a place where unforgettable moments are just waiting to happen. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel adventures and tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Florida, and we hope to see you again soon as we explore more amazing destinations together.